In this video, I will walk you through a detailed Pauraju weight loss shorts review, comparing these specialty garments to standard shapewear and fitness leggings. The main contrast lies in the technology used to promote fat burning. While typical leggings merely compress, Pauraju positions itself as a 4-in-1 solution, utilizing a unique 2026 moringa and berberine infusion. This highlights a significant trade-off. You are not just getting aesthetic smoothing but an active botanical-based approach designed to enhance metabolic activity. When looking at the standout features, the integration of these specific ingredients directly into the fabric is what sets them apart in a crowded market. If you are choosing based on functionality, standard shorts win for basic gym support, but Pauraju wins for those specifically targeting weight loss through enhanced thermogenesis. The source material emphasizes that this particular model is an official brand store item, featuring a specialized design that distinguishes it from generic alternatives. Whether you need something for high-intensity movement or a targeted slimming goal, the contrast in material science here is worth noting for your final decision. A side-by-side performance shows that Pauraju focuses heavily on these natural extracts to bridge the gap between clothing and wellness. If you found this comparison helpful for your fitness journey, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more gear breakdowns. Let me know in the comments if you have tried products with similar botanical infusions and what your results were. Happy training!